Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Today, we're opening up the Beachly Summer 2021 box. This is my second Beachly box. For my Beachly Spring 2021 box opening, I will leave a link in the description down below. Let's get started. So the funny thing is, this box was already open when I picked it up from my porch, so yeah. But I did get to see this colorful thing. What is this? It feels like it could be, oh, it's a towel. It's a beach towel. You know me, I love the beach. The one side of the towel is this pretty decoration and it has some tassels on it, and the other side is this white terry cloth. This side is like a cotton, so I'm wondering if this is one of those towels that you shake out and all the sand comes off. If that's true, that's great. It is a bit on the thinner side, but it is very pretty and it feels really soft. This is just very soft. The next thing is in a plastic bag. It looks like a Coverup. Oh wow, this is interesting. It is a Coverup and it has a hoodie attached to it. However, I'm not sure if this is my style. Of course I will try it on, but I can tell you right now that this is not going to spark joy, but it might spark someone else's. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because when I reach 500 subscribers, I will do a grab bag giveaway, and you might be a lucky winner of this. Ooh, okay, Patchology. It's called Resting Beach Face. Soothing sheet mask and lip gel kit. So I guess this is the sheet mask, and you only have to put it on for 5 minutes. And then this is like, oh, the lip stuff. I really don't think these work, but they're fun. I don't think it makes a difference. I use like a nighttime stuff on my lips anyway, but this is cool. This is good for traveling. I'm going to take it to the beach. All right, the next thing we have, ooh, oh, I love some sunscreen, and this is SPF 30 from SUNBUM. I've never used SUNBUM products before, but I've heard good things about it, so yay. I won't smell it because I have so many sunscreens that are open right now, but I don't wanna like have this expire sooner than necessary. All right, next thing is this little box LOGAN tie. Ow, interesting. What is the name? This is called cowrie. I think these are like cowrie shells. Notice the face I'm making. This is really not my style, but you know, I'm wondering if I could sell it on eBay or something to somebody who might enjoy that. All right, the next thing, and is the last thing, is this. It looks like a beach bag. Oh, yeah, it's like a cooler, I think. And I love how bright it is. You know, it's good to have bright things on the beach because when you're in the water and you know how the water like pulls you to one side and then you want to get back out, but then your umbrella and your human is nowhere to be found. It's so great to have something bright like this so you could be like, oh, how did I get this far? It is verabradley. Well, who could have guessed? All right. That's cool. And you know, the nice thing about this cooler is that you can just smush it up so it doesn't take up too much space when you're done with all the food. All right, so now I'm gonna read this to make sure that I got everything right. So this Coco Coverup retail price is $95. Would have never guessed that. Okay, the Isle of Palms beach blanket retail price is $49. Part beach blanket, part beach towel, and all kinds of tropical vibes. All right, the seashell bracelet, it is retailed for $45. Yes, this is a cooler. It's called the Rainforest Canopy cooler, and it retails for $42. The Resting Beach Face kit retails for $20, which I think is pretty cheap. And the sunscreen retails for $10. That's really not that bad. So, what did you guys think of this box? I don't think anything was missing from the box. Like I said, it showed up with like opened. I think I might try to resell this on eBay, or maybe there's somebody who might like this. This I'm definitely keeping. This I'm definitely keeping. Definitely keeping this towel. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put this in the grab bag giveaway. It's not bad, it's just like, it's not my style. I think this is the best thing in the whole box. It's got plenty of room, it has side pocket, and like I said, you can collapse it, so when you're done with all this beach stuff, you can just put it, you know, in your additional beach bag or whatever, but it doesn't take too much space in your car when you're done for the day with the beach, and or in your storage when you're not traveling. So this is really great. That's my favorite thing in the box. This box is $99 a quarter, and you're supposed to get 200 plus worth of items valued. And I think that, you know, it did get to that point because this was around $280. This item alone was $95. Honestly, like I said, I don't think it's bad, but I don't think this is a $95 cover-up. This is more like maybe like a $40 cover-up for the material that it is. I mean, it is lightweight cotton, but I think, oh, I should probably check. Okay, it is 58% cotton and 8% rayon. Why does that doesn't make any sense because it doesn't add up. But in any case, I just don't think it's worth $95. That's just me. I feel like the products were good. You know, I liked everything. Let me know in the comments below if you think this box was worth $99. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye!